Hello guys, I'm Hayden from the Hayden XD DJ Walking Show, coming at you live today, and I wanna just teach you how to chirp like a bird. So what you do is you do this, and then you do this. I can't really do it. It's really hard to do it once you get to it. So this is actually a sample.
That's enough for one night. It's first brunch. Now off to bed.
And this actually is the same thing for whistling, so this is a whistle.
The Guardians were outnumbered. Things looked dark.
So this is an example. Thank you for watching this video. If you like more videos like this, and then leave them in the comment section below, please. And don't forget to rate and share this video on my Facebook page and Twitter. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Shut up.